Hello guys, how are you guys doing? This is your girl again, Gilly James. Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, yes, I have cut my hair. I feel like I wanted to take out the part that was relaxed. I don't want to be putting relaxer anymore on my hair, but I don't want to like go back and just shave it from the scratch. I still want to have some hair so I can be doing my hair. So I kind of like trim the parts that was like relaxed. And yeah, I didn't put relaxer on my hair for a long time, so there's kind of like on the grow. I'll be trimming it bit by bit until all the relaxed area of the hair is being removed, and I'll have like my natural hair. Let me turn the back and you see how the back looks like. And today I'll be doing my crochet. I'll be using X-Pression. I'll be using X-Pression collection. First things first, I divide my hair into two. This is the front part and this is the back. This front part is going to have more braids, so that's the reason why I divided it. And the back is going to have less braid because I want the front to be full. So guys, I'm done braiding the front hair now. So I'll continue braiding the back. I'm done with the front part. So now I want to do the back. So guys, I finished doing my hair. I'm done. So I'll do my edges with the gel. I just want the edges to pop, but I don't know how to do it. Like, I'm struggling. Like, I'm struggling. Let me show you the back. Guys, I used this X-Pression 2.5 packet. I didn't finish it, just 2.5, because I didn't want it to be too full. So let me do another style. So guys, I am done. Hope you enjoy watching this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy watching this video. Don't forget to drop your comments down below this video. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Subscribe to my channel. And as you do so, God bless you. Have a look at my hair. Let me turn around. So guys, yeah, this is it. Have a blessed day. Have a great weekend. And happy Easter in advance, guys. See you.